in this lecture I'll be teaching you about how to identify that how many hybrid orbitals are there in a molecule. So basically hybrid orbital depends upon the atomic orbital. Now what are atomic orbital? Atomic orbital are the orientations that are given of that molecule, like on which type of axis it is. Like as in the first figure, SP, it is in a linear form. That means it is on the x-axis. In the second condition, it is also in the x-axis as well as in the y-axis. So here we will say that we have three orientations. First of the S, second of the 2px, and third of the 2py. Again, in the third figure, sp3 hybrid orbitals, there is another condition. We have four orientations, 2 in the x-axis and remaining 2px, 2py and 2pz. Let's understand it by a table. So, as in the table it is given that in the first figure, S and P both are in the x-axis, both combinedly make sp. Now here number of the hybrid orbitals is 2, so it is in the linear form and the angle between is 180. In the second condition, spp, that means there are 2p. First, S is in the x-axis, then let's move on to the second one. So here in the starting we have 2px, then 2py. So combinedly these 2p will become p2. So we will combinedly term it as the sp2. Now number of hybrid orbital here would be 3 and it will be kind of a diamond or something, or kind of trigonal planar or triangle. The angle between would be 120. And in the third condition where we have 3p, that means we have 3 axes of the p. So here the condition is of 2px, 2py and 2pz. Now we know that we have only 3 axes. So apart from those axes, if we call about the 5 hybrid orbitals, so we will count those orbitals in the D section. But still we have 3 axes and we are only talking about the molecules till sp3. So in this condition 4 hybrid orbitals are being used, 1 of the S and 3 of the P. Now the shape here would be some kind of tetra or kite, that is known as tetrahedral, and the angle between is 109.5. I hope that you have understand now how to identify that how many hybrid orbitals are there. Thanks for watching.